amaphoyisa namasosha nurse abantu abenze essential abanalo ilungelo lokuteleka. Amaphoyisa wanalo ilungelo lokuteleka kodwa atholakala seyidubulile, atholakala seyikhungile ngenxa yekweletu, abakwazi kuganwa, abakwazi kwenza lutho, abanamali, bahola amakinati. Imali nengaka nokwazi ngisho ukuyintshontsha nehlulwa yini ukuthi nje minimum yephoyisa 25,000. 25,000. Nurse bawuthi banokolo uthuva usuku nosuku lapha lehlobo zenu. Kodwa nina you can't do that. I'm so concerned. Othisha, they are the foundation of the future. Othisha baneyinduna bonke baswele ngisho imali ye-makeup, bane stress, bane pressure among themselves. They can't buy a luxury house, they can't buy a luxury car, they can't do anything, but they are forced to work and they have more time. They are not even allowed to have a side hustle as a result of rules and regulation of governance. So what do you call that? What do you call that? It's nonsense. You are failing us. You are failing the country. Therefore, we need to take it. Timing bomb. Government workers. They are earning nothing. All of them. No, we are becoming a corrupt state because corruption is authorized by government. Ungaholi lutho wena usele ngishimali umsebenzini u20 rand okugibela etaxini qhamuka umuntu athi ngizokunikeza 1000 unganqaba kanza kwethu. We must be honest and be truthful to ourselves. The time for change has come and the change is now.